We brought in the Spectrum paper pads from Authentique because they're such good basics. And if you've looked at any of the Authentique paper pads that we've done product videos, you'll see that they always include 2 of these into the collections, but it's really nice to have these all by themselves. Now Spectrum is bright colors, so you can see the true reds, yellows, all of those. Then for the secondary colors, they called it Spectrum number 2. The same rule or same configuration applies to both of them. Let me show you. So in the brights, you're going to get, well, in both of them, you're going to get 24 papers. So there's 24. You're going to get 2 of each one, so that's 12 designs. And what you'll have is on one side a tone-on-tone, in this case red. On the back side, a tone-on-tone pinstripe. So you're going to get 2 of those. This is called red licorice. But then in this bright one, you get the ladybug, which is also a very bright. So again, the tone-on-tone dots with the tone-on-tone pinstripes on the other side. So just to flip through here to show you the other colors, we have lemon drop, 2 of those. We have limeade, 2 of those. Green thumb, yep, 2 of those, dots and stripes. Then we have a Kelly green, so it is the deeper green. Then we have Old Glory, so that is a rich blue, as you can see. Then we have Caribbean, so more of an aqua teal. Then we have a Blue Hawaii, much lighter, 2 of those. Bubble Gum, which as you would think is a pink, and then a lighter one, Tickled Pink. And that is, whoops, one more, and we have this in the antique lace. So this is a cream, very pretty. That is the Spectrum. Now to go to the Spectrum 2, might as well do these together. We're going to get variations. So here we have Robin's Egg. Again, you're getting 2. You're getting the pinstripe on one side, the dot on the other. Here is a Silver Dollar. So this is a gray. Then we have Cobblestone. So this is a darker gray. And we have Crocodile Smile. That's cute. Then we're going into Mustard Seed. So it's a brownish yellow. Okay. Then we have a Honeycomb. So it's more in the brown tone of the yellow. Orange Blossom, so not a bright orange. Well, it is a bright orange. No orange in the first set. Then we have a Ginger Snap, so it's more of a brown orange. You can kind of see them together right there. And we'll move on. And we have a Tricycle Red. So again, it's a little bit toned down. And then we have Blackjack, which I like. And then we have Hot Cocoa. So this is kind of a dark gray brown. And then we have Sandy Beach. So all of those, so together they have a really nice collection. If you pair that with the basics out of from Pebbles, you've got a really nice basic collection of everything. So that's what we have from Spectrum, from Authentique. Really nice collections.